Z-Bio Incorporated is a leading biotech company based in southwest China's Chongqing. It specializes in research and development, or R&D, and the manufacture of in vitro diagnostic reagents and equipment. Recently, Dr. Yi Weijing, chief scientist of Z-Bio Incorporated, and his team have spared no effort to ensure the company's stable production of COVID-19 test kits.
We need to ensure the production of our two main types of COVID-19 test kits. I hope all of us can pay attention to the material supply and quality control. In March, we received the registration certificate for our antigen assay kit. Before that, we got the registration certificate for a nucleic acid test kit. Amid the COVID resurgence, we are required to ensure the supply of the two test products. We've been keeping a close eye on all aspects concerned. Small as an antigen test kit is, it involves 20 types of key raw materials and ancillary materials. Some of the materials were once in short supply, which caused great difficulties to our production.
The supply of nitrocellulose, or NC, membrane, a key raw material in producing the test kits, caused a great headache for Yi's team.
NC membrane is vital in antigen assay kit. It's used to make the white bar in the test cassette. The quality of the NC membrane directly determines the quality of the test kits. Due to the shortage of NC membrane in March, we had to send someone over to the supplier to ensure the quantity and quality of NC membrane. It lasted long and everybody had a hard time.
Due to the pandemic, the supply of some key raw materials and components cannot be fully guaranteed to meet Z-Bio's demand for large-scale production. To solve the problem, Z-Bio established its own R&D team last year to conduct independent research on key raw materials of the kits and COVID-19 medical devices and equipment.
This is a biochemical analyzer that just entered the market. Its overall performance can meet the requirements of clinical testing, as well as serve the needs of primary care. It is one of the major domestically developed medical devices in our country for primary care.
Since the outbreak of the COVID-19 epidemic, Z-Bio Incorporated has made pioneering efforts, forming a team to offer overall diagnosis solutions. In 2021, its output value increased by 118%. Such a rapid response was possible thanks to the layout of an efficient supply chain by the company after it set up its headquarters in Dadaku district of Chongqing municipality in 2017. Meanwhile, the company has also got substantial support from an array of favorable policies in terms of finance, talent, industrial development and scientific research.
Since our antigen test kits involve more than 20 kinds of key raw materials and ancillary materials, only one or two suppliers cannot fully meet our demand. So our company turned to the district government for help. We worked out solutions together. This is one of the suppliers we introduced. With the assistance of relevant departments in Daduko district, we have introduced several suppliers involving electronic component processing, biotech and mechanical processing. They have contributed to the supply chain improvement and sustainable development of the company.
Z-Bio has continued working on breakthroughs in cutting-edge technologies. Such efforts has ensured its R&D and production during the pandemic. Z-Bio's test kits have now been exported to more than 100 countries and regions. With key technological breakthroughs, Z-Bio has become a leading company in the pharmaceutical biotech industry in Dadaku district.
Since 2016, Daduko district has focused on the in vitro diagnosis sector and vigorously developed the healthcare industry featuring pharmaceutical biotech. At present, the district has gathered 150 related enterprises, including nearly 40 science and technology enterprises, and 11 municipal-level R&D platforms. In 2021, the R&D investment of the district reached 460 million yuan, or about $68 million, and the industry revenue exceeded 10 billion yuan, or about $1.5 billion. From zero to hero, the district is blazing a path toward high-quality development.